I see two trains on a different track. One is moving forward, never looking back. The other's in reverse, a financial curse, a broken promise, making your pocket worse. Yeah, I promised you gold, a fortune untold, but the story they sold is getting weary and old. That train is rolling backwards, losing all speed, taking you further from the life you need. Which train you on? Which train you on? The one that's gone, rolling backwards, or the bullet train, free from the pain, coming down the line in the sun and the rain. Which train you on? Which train you on? The breakneck speed, to plant the seed, Ash move Ferris vision, a brand new division, taking us forward to our ultimate mission.
They see the numbers start to fade and decline, so they mix up the trash and call it a new design. A shiny new object, a desperate ploy to steal the last hope from the poor girl and boy.
The same old characters, the same old lie, merchants of despair with that hungry eye. They tell you hurry, get your position, don't wait, but it's just a recycle, unfortunate fate. Which train you on? Which train you on? The one that's gone, rolling backwards, or the bullet train, free from the pain, coming down the line in the sun and the rain. Which train you on? Which train you on? The breakneck speed, the sea, Ash move Ferris vision, a brand new division, taking us forward to our ultimate mission. Stop this insanity, can't you see? Pouring your money out for a fantasy, while you wait for the truth. It don't cost a dime, just a little more patience, a little more time. Don't give up on your dreams, hold on, be strong. The right train is coming to right the Get on that train, get on that train, the one that's forward, looking backwards, the bullet train, free from the pain, coming down the line in the sun and the rain. Get on that train, get on that train, the breakneck speed, to plant the seed, Ash move Ferris vision, a brand new division, taking us forward to our ultimate mission. The 90% are boarding now, the ultimate vehicle, journey to prosperity. Just be patient and be ready.